வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன டாபிக் பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா கிளாஸ் 6 டேர்ம் 3 சிவிக்ஸ் யூனிட் 2 local bodies, rural and urban, lesson book back exercise, question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, Dash is set up with several village panchayats. Option A, Panchayat Union. Option B, District Panchayat. Option C, Taluk. Option D, Revenue Village. So here the correct answer is option A, Panchayat Union. Second one, Dash is National Panchayat Raj Day. Option A, January 24. Option B, July 24. Option C, November 24. Option D, April 24. Here the correct answer is option D, April 24. Third one, the oldest urban local body in India is Dash. Option A, Delhi. Option B, Chennai. Option C, Kolkata. Option D, Mumbai. Here the correct answer is option B, Chennai. Fourth one, the head of a corporation is called a Dash. Option A, Mayor. Option B, Commissioner. Option C, Chairperson. Option D, President. Here the correct answer is option A, Mayor. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, Dash is the first state in India to introduce town panchayat. The answer is Tamil Nadu. Second one, the Panchayat Raj Act was enacted in the year Dash, April 24, 1992. Third one, the tenure of the local body representative is Dash years. The answer is 5 years. Fourth one, Dash is the first municipality in Tamil Nadu. The answer is Valajapet. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, Grama Sabha, permanent unit. Second one, Panchayat Union, block development officer. Third one, town panchayat, executive officer. Fourth one, local body election, state election commission. Fourth Roman letter, answer the following. Question number 1, is there any corporation in your district? Name it. So as per your district you can write the corporation. For example, if you belongs to Erode district, you can write Erode Corporation. If you belong to Chennai, you can write Chennai Corporation. Question number 2, what is the need for local bodies? Answer, in order to fulfill the requirements of the people and to involve them directly in governance, there is need for an effective system of local bodies. Question number 3, what are the divisions of a rural local body? So the answer is the rural local bodies are categorized into village panchayats, panchayat unions and district panchayats. Question number 5, who are the representatives elected in a village panchayat? The answer is the elected representatives of the village panchayat are Panchayat President, Ward Members, Councillor, District Panchayat Ward Councillor. Question number 6, list out a few functions of corporations. Answer, drinking water supply, street light, maintenance of clean environment, primary health facilities, corporation schools, birth and death registration, etc. Question number 7, list out a few means of revenue of village panchayats. Answer, revenue of village panchayats are house tax, professional tax, tax on shops, water charges, specific fees for property tax, specific fees for transfer of immovable property, funds from central and state governments. Question number 8. When are Gram Sabha meetings convened? What are the special on those days? Answer. The Gram Sabha meetings are convened on January 26, May 1st, August 15 and October 2nd. These days are celebrated as national festival days every year. Question number 9. What are the special features of Panchayat Raj system? Answer. Special features of Panchayat Raj: Grama Sabha, three-tier local body governance, reservations, Panchayat elections, tenure, finance commission, account and audit, etc. Question number 10. What is the importance of Grama Sabha? Answer. Grama Sabha is essential for the effective functioning of village panchayat. It enhances public participation in the planning and implementation of schemes for social benefit. Fifth Roman letter, higher order thinking question. Question number 1. Local bodies play an important role in the development of villages and cities. How? Local self-government has been playing a vital role. The local bodies provide service to the local community. They act as an instrument of democratic self-government. This level of government is recognized by the people as they are close to the citizens and involve them in the decision-making process. These institutions perform the functions related to education, sanitation, public health, industry, etc. and try to tackle the day-to-day problems of the local people. In a big country like India, the union government and the state government are unable to know the local problems of the citizens. Only the local people can suggest the right solution to local problems. These bodies lessen the workload of central and state governments. They are the best schools of democracy. Therefore, the local bodies play an important role in the development of villages and cities. Choose the correct answer. In Tamil Nadu, there is corporation in Erode. A block development officer BDO is the administrative head of a Panchayat union. The administrative officer of a municipality is executive officer. Fill in the blanks. First one. The district has the most number of municipalities. Kanjipuram. Second one. A dash is between a village and a city. Town Panchayat. Third one. A city municipal corporation has a commissioner who is an dash officer. IAS. Fourth one. The Nilgiris and Perambalur district have the lowest number of dash Panchayat unions. Fifth one. Vehicle charges are one of the revenue sources to dash City Municipal Corporation. Mahatma Gandhi advocated dash as the foundation of India's political system. The answer is Panchayat Raj. Seventh one. The Tamil Nadu State Election Commission is situated in dash Chennai, Coimbatore. Match the following. Chennai Corporation, Panchayat President, elected representative, laying roads, obligatory function. Grama Sabha, village Panchayat, constituencies, wards. So the answer is C, E, A, B, D. Flowchart about the classification of local bodies. So here are the list of corporations in Tamil Nadu as on March 2021. Mark the corporations in Tamil Nadu district map.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.